Hi everybody, welcome back. Hope you all subscribe our channel Jimmy's Creative English Vlog. If not, please do subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press bell icon and enable all. I also welcome your like and valuable comments. Let us start a new topic today, conjunctions. As a part of speech, conjunctions are important in conveying the whole thought of the spoken or written language. The importance of conjunctions lies in the fact that they make any sentence sensible and comprehensible. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a part of speech that we use to join words, phrases, clauses, and sentences together. In simple words, a conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. The best way to understand conjunctions and how they work in sentences is to divide them into three types and give examples of those three types in sentences. The three types of conjunctions are simple conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and compound conjunctions. We will learn simple conjunctions and its first class today. Simple conjunctions. There are two classes of simple conjunctions in English. First one, coordinating conjunctions, and second one, subordinating conjunctions. The following box gives us a complete picture about the simple conjunctions and its very first class, coordinating conjunctions. Four types. First one, cumulative conjunction. Second one, adversative conjunction. Third one, alternative conjunction. And fourth one, elative conjunction. Let's get into the four types in detail. Cumulative conjunctions. Cumulative conjunctions merely adds one statement to another. For example, he got promotion as well as the money. Raj is in Delhi and Mohit is in Bombay. Adversative conjunctions. Adversative conjunctions express opposition or contrast between two statements. For example, she is poor but she is happy. They are poor yet they are honest. Alternative conjunctions. Alternative conjunctions express a choice between two alternatives. For example, you must work hard or you will fail. Walk carefully, else you will fall down. Elative conjunctions. Elative conjunctions express an inference. For example, he did not work hard, so he failed. She disliked the school, therefore she left it. There are many coordinating conjunctions. Let's take a look at some of the most frequently used ones. Look at the box given under coordinating conjunctions. F denote for, A denote and, N denote nor, B denote but, O denote or, Y denote yet, S denote so. V says fanboys. It's an acronym. An acronym is an abbreviation formed from the initial letters to remember it. When most people think of a conjunction, these are the words which will spring to mind. Let's take a look at some examples of these conjunctions being used within a sentence. Remember, when a conjunction is being used to join two independent clauses, a comma is used before the conjunction. Look at the following example and make it clear. Coordinating conjunction for. For example, we listened eagerly for he brought news of our families. Coordinating conjunction and. For example, she didn't speak to anyone and nobody spoke to her. Coordinating conjunction nor. For example, I don't expect children to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed. Coordinating conjunction but. For example, they rushed to the hospital but they were too late. Coordinating conjunction or. For example, I will go shopping or I will go camping. Coordinating conjunction yet. For example, Kiran was a convicted criminal, yet many people admired him. Coordinating conjunction so. For example, I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. We have learned what is conjunction, what are the simple conjunctions, and what are the coordinating conjunctions, namely cumulative conjunctions, adversative conjunctions, alternative conjunctions, and elative conjunctions. Today's session we will wind up. We will be back with our next video, subordinating conjunctions. Please do subscribe our channel, Jimmy's Creative English Blog. Don't forget to press bell icon and enable all. I also welcome your like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.